Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Dogecoin. If you guys have not been paying attention to the Dogecoin chart, let's just say it is starting to gear up for some boosters that will be coming in, and especially the news that will be coming in coming month. It is going to completely explode Dogecoin and take it out of proportion. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on it so the YouTube algorithm can push the video to more people see the upside of Dogecoin, they decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart and then we will check out the 4 hour chart. If we decide to look at the 1 hour chart, you can see in the past 5 hours we have started to have some sort of momentum in the price of Dogecoin. Compared to the big spikes we have had, such as the sell-off, obviously it's nothing compared to those, but on the other hand, you can see that most of the crypto today, including Binance, Ethereum, Polkadot, everything was down a little bit, and then Bitcoin actually decided to break out of it, and at the same time Dogecoin did as well. So it actually had a green spike that took us from 26.1 all the way to nearly 27 cents, which is a significant difference when it comes to the price of Dogecoin. Let's just say it had a nearly 3 to 4% gain in under an hour. By the way, if we do decide to look at the candle channel, you can see it was starting to get smaller and smaller until this point right here. When we got to this point right here, we noticed that when the spike came in, the candle channel actually became a lot bigger, which provides more momentum to the whole of the market. At the moment, you can see that we're stabilizing close to 26.3 cents, but keep in mind it's really good that we are over this point, which is the extreme support that we do not want to go below. A lot of analysts were saying if Dogecoin falls below the 26 support, which is the 26-cent support, it will completely crash all the way down to 20 cents. So this initial spike, the reason I'm personally very happy is because when it went all the way to 27.1 cent, it clearly confirmed that at the moment we are in an uptrend. Even on the zigzag line, you can see that this higher high is now actually being broken by this one, which shows that the retracement has clearly shown that we are not actually in a downtrend, but rather we are on an uptrend, not in a consolidation period as well. So this lower low was obviously lower than this one, and this higher high is obviously lower than the next higher high, showing us that we are in an uptrend. If we decide to look at the 4 hour chart and decide to look at the big chart that is starting to close in, you can see we're still closing in pretty strong. So from the higher high which we received at the end of October, we have been closing down as the symmetrical triangle has started to close in, and the symmetrical triangle actually looks really good, because from the bottom as well, you can see the symmetrical triangle might be coming to an end very soon. By very soon, I mean in the next 2 to 3 days, we will be seeing the symmetrical triangle close in. Even though we had the spike about 2 to 3 hours ago, you can see that spike did not break out of the symmetrical triangle, suggesting to the fact that this symmetrical triangle closing in pattern is going to be a huge difference maker to the price of Dogecoin. If you guys do not know, whenever a symmetrical triangle actually closes in, usually what happens is there is obviously going to be an uptrend, and it will go all the way to 34 cents because that is where it initially started, and from there, that's where everything will change and all the big decisions for the future price of Dogecoin will be made. So I'm personally very excited to see that, and at the same time I want to show you guys some very interesting news that have come out towards Dogecoin, which will make you very happy. First of all, you guys know Elon did decide to sell a lot of his Tesla shares because he wanted to pay tax on it. Now he decided to sell $5 billion worth of Tesla shares, and everyone is asking the question, will he be investing that money into Dogecoin? And honestly, I know it seems very far-fetched, but when you actually read this article, it doesn't actually seem really bad, because Elon has been supporting Dogecoin since the start, and he also mentioned in a couple of tweets that he's only holding on to 3 tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. That's it. He's not invested in any other cryptocurrency at all. So is he going to increase his position on Dogecoin, or will he be increasing his position on every single cryptocurrency with the money that he received from selling his Tesla shares. We will just have to wait and see. But another thing which is crazy for Dogecoin is the Twitter page of Dogecoin is the third largest Twitter page when it comes to any cryptocurrency. So the largest one being BNB because of the exchange, so obviously they have a lot more exposure. They have close to 6 million followers. Second one being Bitcoin, as it is Bitcoin, so that is 3.7 million, and the third one is Dogecoin, which is 2.4. That is a huge amount because we are actually beating XRP, Shiba, Ethereum, SafeMoon, Cardano. We are beating all those big major cryptocurrencies and being the third largest Twitter page when it comes to cryptocurrencies. That is insane, and that just shows how much power the Dogecoin army really holds. Now moving on. This article that was posted on Bitcoinalist, here's why Dogecoin withdrawals are frozen on Binance. Now if you guys use Binance, personally I do. Today I actually tried to withdraw my Dogecoin and it said it has been taken away for now. You can withdraw the normal ones, or which are under the Binance Smart Chain, like the BEP2 or the BEP21, but the Dogecoin one you cannot withdraw them. Now the reason for this freezing that most of the people are saying is due to the fee reduction that Dogecoin has done, and Binance is not able to put it inside of their system as quick as everything. And at the same time, one very interesting thing that Binance did on Twitter is they tweeted this out, which is to the moon. So are they suggesting this towards Dogecoin because they are making sure that when everything happens, which is to the moon, they make sure that they are ready for all the withdrawals, all the selling, all the transferring, all the transactions that will come in through Dogecoin? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section. Are they suggesting this towards Dogecoin? Personally, I see the connection between the two. Why are they saying to the moon and making Dogecoin not being removed out of the Binance, obviously the platform? Now talking about some people who said Dogecoin is dead. Look at this person. About a day ago they decided to buy 1 million Dogecoin on Robinhood, which would have cost them close to $270,000, and they decided to buy it in. And I think that is a great decision because when the big SpaceX and everything, all sort of announcements will be done, I feel like Dogecoin price will be climbing very quickly. The two massive factors personally I think is going to be the Robinhood wallet, the second one being SpaceX actually launching Doge 1, and the third one actually being Tesla accepting Dogecoin. So personally it is going to be a good buy, and I think it's going to have a lot of potential. Now talking about this person, personally I'm very happy. He said, I'm so happy, my store's first purchase in crypto and it is Dogecoin. So he's just a small store and they decided to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, and this is the first time someone has used crypto on the store and they used Dogecoin to purchase whatever the purchase was for, which is incredible. Personally I'm very happy to see and really happy for this person. Now talking about the price analyst, you can see the meme coin is on the rise today. They're currently trading at 26 cents. More upside is likely to be tested today. It is starting to look bullish, but we need to make sure that we do stay above the big support level, which is 25 or 26 cents. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.